Kate Rapp is a freshman at Martinsburg High School and a member of the MHS thespian troupe. Kate has been performing in musical theater since she was 4 years old. Recently moving from Ohio to Martinsburg, here is Kate Rapp singing Don't Rain on My Parade.